In November last year, the people of Bubaale in Wakiso district were cut off from many of their essential services after River Mayanja burst its banks, cutting off the road that connected Bubbale village to Mende, where the community accessed schools and health facilities. Now, almost 2 months since the river cut off the road, NTV visited the area to see if anything had changed after the river's waters had receded. Despite the river's waters having long receded, the flood's damage is still evident. The two villages that were at one time connected by a bridge are now two separated pieces of land on either side of the river, which flows calmly between them. Only the bravest of the residents are willing to take on the mud and the river's treacherous waters in order to get to the other side by themselves. The people of Bubaale say that ever since the floods cut their village off, their lives have changed for the worse because most of the essential services they depended on are across the river. Mariam Nalukwagwe is a resident in Bubbale who lives with HIV. Before her village got cut off, she used to get her medication from Mende Health Center 3. Today, she can't even get the required medication since she has to use the long route to the hospital, which even costs a lot of money. She has since resorted to taking herbal medicine to keep herself in good health until she can access her medication again. Sarah Tebasura is 8 months pregnant. She's now weeks away from giving birth. She's not even sure how she will access the health facility in Mende when her time to give birth comes. She feels that she has been betrayed by the leaders.
Amalwaliro agatwetoolodde nga ssente nnyingi ate Mende ebadde tuyamba kubanga lya gavumenti tuwayo ssente ntono ate n'ekkubo libadde litwanguyira okuyitamu. Bwe ntegeera nti nfunye akabonero k'okuzaala nsobola n'okutambuza ebigere n'entuuka mu ddwaliro mu budde. Nanoonyeza nnyo MP waffe Kasule Ssebunya Akalulu naye tasobodde kutuyamba.
Richard Chimbowa, the vice chairman of Bubaale, says they have reached out to the MPs, but they have not extended any help.
Ensonga enkulu ya bujjanjabi. Eddwaliro litugatta wano nga LC yaffe n'omuluka gwonna liri Mende, tetukyalina bwe tuyita kugenda kufuna bujjanjabi. Amasomero gali Mende, secondary eri Mende. Abaana tebakola bibuuzo lwa kkubo. Tufunye kuyambibwa mu bakulembeze baffe. Okuva ku LC 3 tatuyambye, LC 5 tetuyambye. MP waffe Kaswera Robert tatuyambye wacha Dondo Nosi kati tumanyi tugenda kubeerawo tutya.
Hamza Waswa says his children who are in candidate classes are not able to go to school and is not even certain about their future prospects.
Nzomu muzadde aina mwana wa siniyafu aba P7 abaana bali bana tebakola bibuuzo nzomu aina obulumi obwenjawulo.
However, the flood's destruction has created opportunities for some of Bubaale's residents. This is Peter Nsubuga. He's one of the few individuals who help people cross the river for a fee.
Kati waliwo abamu abatya amazzi nga tebasobola ssalawo. Ng'ate waliwo n'ebintu by'osobola bayambako okusitula okugeza ng'okwo. Oyinza okuvaayo n'ettaano n'akakaaga bwe katyo.
Since the river burst its banks, the people of Bubaale say that they have not been helped. They have therefore decided to take on the streets to strike over the delayed services. Olivia Kwamgisha, NTV.